Okay, so you gotta turn the phone on. When you receive it, you're also gonna open up the glass case like that, leave the glasses in the glass case. Once the phone turns on, the app should open up automatically. Okay, once the app is open, you can go down to settings, go to connect to glasses. It should say connected. If it doesn't, click on it to connect to it, but it should say connected. You're gonna take the glasses and put them on. And from here on out, you just have to put your phone in your pocket. You're done with this. Go back to the main alert screen. Now, any alerts that pop up, you'll get a message. Here it goes. Okay, when the alert comes in, you'll see it on top of the phone, and that means it's going to be in the glasses. Now, API, you're going to look account ID 854. You're going to use the API key that I send you in the email, which will be this one, and the group name will be 1550. This is the URL you're going after. I'll put all this in an email for you. Look at the API, it's version 1.4. I'll send that in the email also. Everything appears in the glasses for 10 seconds. That is changeable. If you do multiple alerts, the first alert has to expire before the second alert will queue. It is queued. You'll always get that alert. But just take that note. It doesn't show the new alert. As soon as it comes in, it waits for the first one to expire. So if you don't want 10 seconds, you can lower it to 2 seconds if you wish. But just FYI. Okay? Any questions, let us know. Have a good day. Bye-bye.